Good morning students. In last video I have explained you how to create the PDF file and how to share it directly. So you can see that here we have stopped in last video. So you can share a copy. These are the mediums. So you can see WhatsApp is there. Beside WhatsApp you can see Google Classroom is there. Even Gmail is also there. So there are so many mediums to send the file. So today I will explain you how to send the file in Google Classroom. So first of all, what is Google Classroom and how to install it? See, this is the Google Classroom homepage. How to install it? Through Play Store. You search, you type Google Classroom and you can install it. After installing, you have to add the classrooms. See, at the corner below plus symbol is there, so you have to join class and the class code will be given by your respective subject teachers. So you will enter the class code here, or you can join the Google Classroom directly through the link given by your subject teacher. So after joining, you will see the subject. Suppose this is class 9 mathematics. Below you will see there is stream, classwork and people. So the students of the class are joined here. So it is mentioned in the people. Now classwork. This is the classwork given or assigned. You will receive this assignment during your exam period. So suppose this is the exam. The teacher has given you the assignment. The instruction is given, dear students, your exam timing is 9 am to 11 am. Give the exam in a paper by drawing margins. Mention your name, class, subject, role, date and school name. Upload the PDF of your answer paper here in the assignment section by attaching it in assignment and hand in or turn in. It should be submitted by 11:30. All the best. So these are the instruction given and how to attach the file here. See, there is an arrow mark below. Yes, this is the one arrow mark. You have to just tap there. Now see, add attachment is mentioned. Add attachment. Now so many options are there: drive, link, file, take photo, record video. So go for the file. Click file. Now you have to search your file. You have to search the document where you have saved it. Suppose whichever file, the name, the PDF file that you have created with your name subject, you select that. Suppose I am selecting this one, maths revision. Then you have to tap hand in here. Okay, clear? Hand in is mentioned there. If you want to write any comments, you can write it. Sir, I have submitted my assignment. This is optional, not mandatory. Now you have to tap the hand in. See, hand in your work. One attachment will be submitted for maths half yearly exam. Okay. Resubmit. And your work is submitted. See, it's mentioned submitted. Clear? Now suppose by mistake you have submitted a wrong file. What to do? Again you will see unsubmit is there. And this is for the message that you have written, I have submitted my assignment. This is the message that you can send it. Okay. Now see, unsubmit is there. So if you are clicking there, unsubmit, again the file will return back to you. So this is the method. to send the file through Google Classroom. Now how to share it directly? We'll come back. Now how to share it directly? Suppose this was the Adobe Scan homepage. You can see share is there, share option. Share a copy. You can send it through WhatsApp or Google Classroom or mail as it is mentioned in the instruction. Okay. Now if your concerned teacher is saying that you have to send the file in Google Classroom. So how to send? See, Google Classroom is shown here. So click the Google Classroom and you will see attach to assignment. It's mentioned here. So attach to assignment. Again it is mentioned maths half yearly exam. You tap there. Same thing will come. See, already I have attached before, so 2 files are added here. Clear? You can remove the files also by tapping the cross button. So this is the method. There are 2 ways to share the files in Google Classroom. The first one is directly you can go to the Google Classroom, go to your subject, and remember, don't post in the stream page. Go to classwork. See, there are 3 options: stream, classwork and people. So you'll go to classwork, there you will post. You will click assignment is given, tap there. Now add attachment, attach your file through file option. Okay, documents. Find your PDF with the name that you have saved and you can send it. So this is what you can go to Google Classroom and you can directly send. Now how to send it from Adobe Scan? Tap Adobe Scan, whichever file you want to share. Suppose this is the file. Share button is there. Share a copy. See, options will come. Google Classroom. Click Google Classroom. Attach to assignment. Remember, don't tap new post. You will attach to assignment. Then the given assignment name is mentioned, maths half yearly exam. Tap there. So automatically the assignment will be attached. Whichever attachment we are going to share. See, your work, PDF, exercise 9B. Suppose this is the name of the file. And remember, you have to click hand in. In many of your cell phone or laptop, it may be mentioned turn in. Okay, either hand in or turn in. So you have to tap the hand in button. And this is for the messages. If you want to share any message, you can send. This is the procedure to send the file through Google Classroom.